Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. Big update that needs to be done. Price was able to get back up above this area of resistance here at 75 cents, which prompts the first update. And that's just all based on the foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, the ideal level of support would certainly be at 75 cents. I'm going to actually go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant necessarily right now. And I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines I've already looked from the presentation standpoint. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So 75 cents, certainly the ideal level. And if the price can stay above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power. However, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 75 cents, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. Because from the overarching point of view, as I've talked about in the past, it's all about that purple line there, the very famous 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, that line's going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 75 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing here new to report. Next key level going to be at 80 cents, which I've talked about in the past videos. So keep an eye on that going into Monday and Tuesday of next week. But all in all, very, very nice way to close out the week. Now it's just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.